Stories expire after 24 hours, but highlights on Instagram stick around for forever. Let's create some highlights. So open up the Instagram app. You can do this on iPhone or an Android, doesn't matter. Let's swipe over to the right to open up the camera and tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left. From here, I'm going to choose a photo, let's say that one, and hit the next button at the bottom right. Next, you can see sharing story options. I'll just hit share here. And now you can see at the very top, add to highlights. I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to tap the little plus to create a new highlight. And I'm just going to name this Hawaii and hit add. Just like that, I can hit done and I've added that highlight. I can verify it by tapping on the profile at the bottom right. And there you can see that highlight that I just created. Keep in mind, you can always go back and add new ones just by tapping on the little plus here. And you can use any of your old stories, even if they've expired, and you can add them to your highlights.